originally built in 1962. Completely rebuilt in 1994. 25 years ago this year, 2019. H73052. 8 versions or 640. Would you like to press 13?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. It's a hospital and there's a 13th floor. Isn't that strange?
Yeah.
A hospital on the 13th floor in Finland.
Yeah.
Isn't that strange?
Yeah.
But it has 15 floors in total, so yeah. This hospital doesn't have only 13 floors.
Yeah.
It will be inspected next time in 2020, the next year. Such very nice elevators, aren't they?
13 kerros, ylin kerros.
But I think this was added later.
Yeah.
I think that it says 1994 here. Yeah, yes, 1994 also on the door. Black bumper is stuck. Where do you think we should change elevators? Maybe on floor 1?
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Or basement, yes.
Yeah.
Probably.
There are like, well, let me see. Actually 10 Kone elevators here.
Yeah.
3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2.
Yeah.
In this hall, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't, maybe don't have to film them all, but.
Yeah.
But most of them.
For our staff only. But
00 kerros, alin kerros.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, printed by
Who is maintaining it? Ah, so many easy elevator, unfortunately. Because there are so many elevators.
Yeah.
Yeah. Elevator number 14.
Kerros, ulkopää
Let's
autaan.
change them. This is just the kind of hospital elevators I wanted to film in Tampere, Tampere, biggest city, the second biggest.
Also Tampere here.
Finland. Also, black bumper is stuck. And it seems to be very calm right now.
Yeah.
So they're not used so much. So we were just at the right time here.
00 kerros, alin kerros.
They built in 1994, 25 years ago in 2019. 8 versions or 640 kilograms, H73053. It's going to be inspected in 2020 the next time. I think we were pretty lucky.
Yeah.
Because these Kone elevators are still here.
Yeah.
13 kerros, ylin kerros.
What do you think about the announcement? I think it's quite alright.
Yeah.
So that everyone can also hear which floor it is.
Yeah.
Seitsemäs kerros. Ensimmäinen kerros, ulkopää aulaan.
Hope we will not get busted.
Yeah.
We can change on floor 1.
00 kerros, alin
Shall we
kerros.
try the third one?
Yeah.
We'll see if it comes. They should have those buttons.
Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Suomi Hissirokoita.
Elevator number 15.
Yeah.
Ensimmäinen kerros, ulkopää aulaan.
It's used now.
Yeah.
What? I think it's coming. Yeah. Here it is. And And this was also rebuilt in 1994, H73051 versus 640 kilograms with 15
Alakerros,
floors.
alikerros.
Looks like the store has changed a little bit. Not black bumper on it.
Yeah.
Maybe that door had problems, so they had to change it.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2020 the next time. This year, 2019, is these replacements are turning 25 years old.
Yeah.
I love these vibrations.
Yeah.
It feels like a bit on Serie Europa before they got modernized.
Ylikerros.
I think it feels like that.
Yeah.
So maybe they were modernized in early 1994.
Yeah. Big overall light here.
Yeah. Yeah, they could have had a fornicator there, but if they were two, yeah. I think that would have been a bit unnecessary to have two fornicators.
I have never seen the overall light here.
Yeah. Yeah, overload. No, me neither. This is something special. I
Yeah.
haven't seen this before actually. So. Interesting. Yeah.
Inspektiipaikki vai inspektää, että meitä ei päässyt omiin hissirakoihin.
Now we got this one successfully filmed. This group.
Yeah.
Shall we try the similar one, 3 others here?
That's